DreamCatch is committed to crafting exceptional playgrounds that ignite joy and foster imagination. Our mission is to create spaces where kids can be kids, allowing them to play freely and explore. We recognize the significance of a well-designed environment in ensuring children have fun and create joyful memories. To achieve this, we prioritize a rapid design process and efficient, systematic service. Our approach ensures that clients can swiftly bring their visions for indoor playgrounds to fruition, minimizing delays and maximizing satisfaction. Our dedicated team collaborates closely with each client, facilitating and assisting throughout every step of the project. With our detailed service system, we simplify the project execution process, enabling a seamless transition from concept to completion and ensuring a stress-free experience for our clients. In addition to our commitment to quality and efficiency, we adhere to the safety standards specific to each local market. Our designs adhere to the latest local safety standards, ensuring that every playground is not only fun, but also safe for children of all ages. DreamCatch's ambition is to establish ourselves as the global leader in indoor playground manufacturing. We aim to set new benchmarks for innovation and quality in the industry, encouraging a higher standard across the sector. Together, we are shaping the future of play and enriching the lives of children around the world.